In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate AI to improve autofill suggestions step by step so you can make your browser smarter and speed up form filling with better address suggestions. This is a quick but useful setting if you want more accurate autofill results when entering names, addresses, and other personal details across websites. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser settings. You can usually do this by clicking the three dots or menu button in the top corner, then selecting Settings. Once the settings page opens, look for the Passwords and Autofill section. This is where your saved information, payment methods, and address settings are usually managed. Click on Passwords and Autofill to open those options. Next, find Addresses and More. This section controls the autofill information your browser uses when filling in forms online. Click into Addresses and More to continue. Inside this menu, you should see a setting called Use AI to improve autofill suggestions. This is the feature that helps the browser provide smarter and more helpful autofill predictions as you type. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once it's enabled, your browser can start using AI to improve the suggestions it gives you in address and the form fields. After that, you can go ahead and close settings. There's nothing else you need to do. The feature is now active and your autofill experience should be more accurate and convenient moving forward. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, since settings like this are sometimes rolled out gradually. And that's it. You've successfully activated AI to improve autofill suggestions. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides just like this one.